Hey everyone, welcome to Good You Edition. In today's video, as you saw at the beginning, I'm going to teach you how to create a fictic like 3D rotation zoom effect. All these clips have been created using prompts. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. First of all, on your phone or PC, search for Grok AI on Chrome. Click on the pin icon and add the photo that you want to convert into a 3D rotation video. Then click on Edit Image, which you'll see below. Now click on the Make Video option. Paste the prompt that I'm giving you here. Wait for a while because first it will automatically generate a preview video. After the process is completed, click on the arrow and then wait for a few seconds. And your video is ready. This prompt will work on all photos. Now I'm applying the same process to another photo. Just follow the same steps exactly as I did. So this is the second final result. We'll meet in the next video. Thanks for watching.